and sore in the left front foot.
Tendon?
No, foot.
Okay, we'll see how far I get.
He's how old?
Not 6, 7, 7.
Okay.
A little lick chew there.
Yep.
I was like, that felt better.
It's like, whoa, that wasn't so bad.
Oh, left hind fell off. So obviously we have an actual right front, left hind. She shakes through that right front.
Yeah.
and Very different.
Oh, little hawk.
Easy, okay.
Good boy.